Hello, welcome back to our DRF tutorial series. Today we will cover filtering, searching and ordering feature. Okay, and we will implement this feature in this product list page. Okay, so let's get back to our VS Code editor. Okay, so first of all we need to terminate our server. So Control C and clear it. First of all, to implement filtering, searching and ordering feature, we need to install a library, that is the Django filter. This Django filter is an external package that integrate very beautiful with Django REST Framework. Okay, so first we need to install Django filter. So to do that, pip install Django dash filter. Okay, nice. It's successfully installed. Now we need some configuration. Okay, so first open the settings.py file. In this installed app section, we need to register our newly installed package, that is Django filter. Okay. Now we need to add a new section for the REST framework, that is REST framework. What is the functionalities of this section? Okay. The main functionality is tell the DRF to use it globally. Okay. That means all your views and view sets are automatically support filtering, searching and ordering feature. Okay. So in terms of configuration, that's it. So save it. Now go back to our view.py file. As I told you earlier, I am going to implement this feature, that is the searching, filtering and sorting feature in this product list. So I have to work on this product list class. Okay. So in this product list class, I need to enable for the searching, filtering and ordering feature. I am maintaining some comments so that it will be very easy to understand for your future project. Enable filtering, searching and ordering. Okay, I'm going to define a variable, that is the filter backends. Filter backends is equal to, now enable those feature. Okay, before enable those feature, I need to import some library, that is number one, the filters, and another library I need to import, that is from Django filters dot REST framework import Django filter backend. Okay, now I am going to enable all the feature here. Okay, number one, Django filter backend. Now I am going to enable the search filter option, that is under the filters dot search filter, and finally ordering feature. This is also under filter package, filter the ordering filter. Nice. Okay, now what? Now my intention is filter the product list by a specific field. Okay, so to do that, just use some comments, that is the filtering by specific fields. Okay, I'm going to define another variable called filter set fields. Filter set underscore filter set fields. Okay, filter set fields, and in this array we will define first of all price and stock. Okay, stock. Nice. Okay, here I actually set the price and stock as the filter set field. Okay, now I'm going to add a text based searching option. Okay, maintain some comments, that is searching text based fields. Okay, then again I define a variable, that is search fields. Again I define an array, and in this array I want to pass the name of the product and I also want to pass like description. Okay. Okay. So here text-based searching feature actually align with the name and description field. Okay. And finally, I want to implement the ordering. That is the this product list will order based on what. Okay. So ordering filter. Okay. Again, define a variable that is the ordering filter. Ordering filter and filter option will be first of all price. So first ordering will be based on price, second ordering will be stock, and thirdly that is the I want to order with the name. Okay. 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 Also I want to implement a default ordering. Okay. Default default ordering. Okay. Now define another variable that is the ordering is equal to price. So default ordering will be based on price. Okay. Now let's run our server. Python manage.py run server. Now server is on. Look, here in this product list view, you see this UI actually represent as per our last tutorial. Okay. Now I'm going to refresh the browser. Now see what actually happened. Okay. Look, here actually the filtering option is enabled now. Now I want to test this API endpoint as per our defined filter set. Now let's check our filtering option. Here you see here actually the ordering actually selected by default price option. Okay, look, this is actually the based on the price option. So 28, then 30, then 89, then 343, then 3423. Okay, and if we ordering with the price as descending way, then look, it is actually the ordering as a descending way, right? Then I want to filter with the order product name, that is the product 2, product dash 2. Okay, let's check it here. Look, this is our product 2. Okay, so if you check, this is look the URL actually how actually URL behave. So if you write this way, that is the question mark search is equal to then name of the product. Okay, then the same result will come. Okay, now let's go back to our editor, and we are actually going to implement some advanced feature. Hmm? That is the custom filter class. Okay, now let's define a new py file under this API folder and name it as a filter.py. Okay, so first of all we are going to import Django filter package. Import Django filter, then from all models import product. Okay, define a class named product filter and pass the parameter, that is the Django filter dot filter set. Nice. Now we want to add the filter with the maximum price and minimum price. Also implement a boolean type of thing, that is the stock is available or not. In a word, I want to filter with the three type of parameter, that is the minimum price, maximum price, and is there any available stock or not. Okay, so this is our objective. So min price is equal to Django filter dot number filter. Okay, now we need to define a field name, that is the which field actually related to the price. Okay, So field name is equal to his field name, that is the price. Okay, price. Now pass the lookup expression, that is the lookup expression is equal to GTE, that is the greater than is equal to. Okay, now we define the max price. Max price is equal to Django filter dot number filter. Now related to which field, that is the field name is equal to price and lookup expression. In this time the lookup expression should be less than is equal to, right? So LTE. Now we actually define a boolean type of field. Okay, that is the in stock. That means is there stock available or not, that is the yes or no, right? So Django filter that boolean filter method name, method, we define a method name, we will create this method later, filter in stock. We copy this method name because it will need. Now class meta model is equal to, it's look like a model.py file. Model is equal to product and fields is equal to define an array. In this array we will pass the list, number 1 minimum price, then max price, then in stock. Okay, now we need to create a function with the name of filter in stock. Div filter in stock self query set the name and value. So in this function we will pass the query set, name and value. Okay, now if value, if there is any value, then what return, and query set that filter I actually use this stock greater than is equal to 0. Okay, what actually return query set. Okay, now save this file and we need to update view.py file. Okay, so we will call this file in here. First we define a variable, that is the define a variable named filter set class is equal to product filter. Oh, before that we need to import that filter class. So do that from filter import product filter. Nice. Now we will get the product filter. Okay, now save it and let's try is it work or not. Okay, now let's check with the maximum price question mark, then maximum price is equal to maximum price 30. Okay, 30. Okay, we get the two items, that is the item product 6 and product 1. The price is 28 and another one is 30. That means get those product whose maximum price is 30. That's why we get these two items. Okay, again if we if we set the mean price, that is the mean price, then let's see what's happened. Mean price is equal to 30. Okay, look, mean price is equal to 30. That means it should be the price with the 28, it should be exclude. Look, there is no 28 because I know there is a product whose price is 28. Let's check with the all product list. Here the product 6 actually price was 28. Okay, but in this case, if we say the mean price is equal to 30, then this 28 will be exclude, right? That is the, if we cannot find the product 6, let's hit it and look here, we cannot find the product 6. We find the product 1, product 5, product 3, product 2. That means it says the minimum price should be 30. That means start with the 30 and then go with the maximum. That's why we get the price 1, that is the 30, price 5, product 5, that is the 89, product 3, that is the 343, and product 2, 3423. Okay, nice. Now I am going to do some complex query. Okay, and I am going to add another parameter, that is the and max price, and max price is equal to let's say max price would be 90. Okay, let's hit it. Look, we get only two products, that is the one is product 1 which price is 30, and product 5 price is 89 which is under 90. Okay. Now we know how we implement the filtering, searching and ordering feature in your any list. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial series. So stay connected with me. Thank you.